After getting familiar with Xrio Converter, it is necessary to also get familiar with the concept of name, ID, foreign ID, and description, ID. The relay producer companies define a unique ID for every parameter and in all relays of a brand. This ID is used for a specific parameter. For example, in the 7UT613 Siemens relay, ID 21015 is related to the protected object parameter. This ID is used in other relays produced by this company for the same parameter. Also, in connecting to the relay via Modbus protocol, if this ID is sent to the relay as a packet, the relay will return to the parameter value related to the sent ID. Foreign ID. Unlike ID, which is used as a standard for identification of the same parameters in relay produced by a company, foreign ID is used as a means of differentiation between parameters of different relays, which allows them to be used in other softwares. As an example, in 7UT613 relay of Siemens, there is a parameter named protected object defined with ID 21015 and foreign ID 0105. If the user intends to enter and analyze some models of relays produced by different companies in a software such as Xilent, a foreign ID of 0105 means the parameter in protected object in relay is 7UT613. The interesting point is that in some relays such as Siemens, the ID and foreign ID are different, while in some other relays such as P441, after loading the Xrio and Xrio file from list page, it can be seen that the ID and foreign ID are the same. Also, in name and description sections, there is information provided by the producer company about name of the parameter as well as some description about that parameter. An introduction to Xrio and its difference with Xrio Converter. By clicking on the Import from List icon on the Load Xrio and Xrio file from list page, Xrio Converter of a relay is selected where the information regarding the relay is complete in the Custom and Xrio sections. It should be noted that it is not possible to extract the Xrio Converter file from a relay because producer companies do not put the file in their relays. In fact, the relay producer companies never limit their relays to a single tester device such as Omicron. Therefore, instead of Xrio Converter file, the relay producer companies provide a file with .csv or .text format in which information of the custom section along with the values set to the relay can be found. Upon extensive use of Xrio, which has been created by Omicron company, most relay producers decide to provide their users with Xrio output files of their relays too. You should consider that this is not the same as the Xrio Converter file, which is designed and written by producers of the TESTER device and is available in the TESTER software. The Xrio file of the relay contains custom section as well as relay parameter section and additional information blocks with the information and values set to the relay, but it does not contain Xrio Plus and template controller sections. If in the TESTER software the Xrio Converter file is selected correctly, after loading the Xrio file of the relay in the Xrio Converter, the settings and necessary information of the relay are completely imported to the Xrio section. Some more points regarding Xrio and Xrio Converter should be mentioned. The first point is that if the Xrio file of the 7SA522 relay is opened in Notepad++, by opening the Xrio Converter tag, it can be seen that unlike Xrio Converter, there are no script references function in this section. The second point is that in the custom tag, only information regarding setting block is available, which is the same as relay parameters section in the software. And in some relays, such as 7SA522, the information regarding additional parameter is also available, which is the same as additional information in the software. Also, the information regarding device block has been made available in the Xrio section by producer of the relay. The third point is that if the Xrio file of a relay is selected and loaded by clicking on Import from File and without Xrio Converter, it can be seen that the mentioned sections are available in the Xrio section of the software. But because of not using the Xrio Converter, the values of Xrio section are not linked with the Xrio information, and only the device section has been completed according to the information of the Xrio file. And other blocks are empty of information because in the Xrio file of the relay there is no information about them.